everybody, and hi YouTube, and that was the little Chorky that you saw yesterday. Oh God, he's peeing. So that's my dog, Zola, and this is my backyard, and soon I will do a backyard tour, a room tour, a bedtime routine, a morning routine, anything you want. So those are the plants and everything, and this is just a random video. Zola, what are you doing? She put like her butt in the air. I don't know. Oh no, what is she doing now? So, Chorky. What is he doing? What is he doing? Okay, so today my friend Trisha and I, we found a nest up here. And it had baby birds, and it had their beaks sticking out. You can kind of see it. Hang on. It is so cool. Earlier, we saw their mom. And look how cool that looks. Who you hear is Trisha. She's making a fake video. So that's the toilet pipe. Each time somebody goes to the bathroom, it takes at least 20 minutes for that toilet water to go in there. That's our peoples. Okay. So that's where baby birds were found one day, because they fell out of this crumbled up nest. But then some new birds moved in, and their nest you just saw looks like that. Oh, their heads are sticking out. It's getting kind of blurry. Hang on. You can see their heads. They're popping out a lot. Oh my God.
I bet they're hungry.
The baby birds' heads are coming up, and they're like popping out.
Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh yes, there's the toilet water.
Oh God. They're so hungry. Look at them.
They're like, Mom, give us food. Are you kidding me?
That was the toilet pot.
See how it's dripping?
Ew.
That was probably a number one. It smells really bad.
And these poor birds need food soon.
I know, right? Like, seriously? Are you kidding me? So, we are reporting live from the baby bird's nest. There is one popping out, one about to pop out because they are super hungry and their mama won't give them food. If my mom ever did that, are you kidding me? I would talk to her.
And we are zooming in 4.0%, and here is 1.0, 3.4%.
I think one is flapping its wings. No, it's just another one. Oh my gosh, all three of them. They really want food. Mom, where are you?
So Trisha is about to pick a flower.
Come here. Come to my baby. Let me get a point.
Oh God. So it's up there, all those beautiful flowers. She picked one of those. Oh
my gosh, they're popping out. I just broke one at a bumblebee.
And I hope you guys enjoyed my nature documentary about many things. Okay, they're popping out.